If you're a SaaS founder, you're probably exhausted. You've built something great, but you're stuck in the awareness desert. No one's seeing your product, you're tired of cold emails, webinars nobody finishes, or LinkedIn bro hacks that don't move the needle. Let me offer something radically simple. What if you just taught what you know every week and let AI turn that into hundreds of discovery moments? No hype, no performance, just clarity, trust, and sign-ups every week. The SaaS growth shift, 2025 onwards. Growth has changed. It's not about going viral, it's not about running ads, it's about earning trust faster than your competitors. And the best way to earn trust? You teach, consistently, with clarity, in public. Look at the top-tier SaaS service brands. Ahrefs, 8-figure ARR from tutorials. Loom, growth on the back of product walkthroughs. Notion, ClickUp, Webflow, they all teach constantly. And guess what? Most of that content isn't viral. It's evergreen, educational, indexed, working while they sleep. We saw that. But we didn't have their team, time, or budget, so we built a smarter system. The smarter system, teach once, scale forever. Here's what we built. Cloned my presence using an AI avatar or just voice. Taught weekly on YouTube, no fluff, no selling. Repurposed each lesson into 10+ content assets. Let the content stack week after week to drive organic trial signups. We don't pitch, we don't pressure, we teach. And that's why people trust us and buy. The Teach to Trust engine. Here's the 5-step engine we now run for ourselves and our SaaS clients. Teach a real problem, show the long manual solution, reveal your product as the shortcut, publish weekly with AI, repurpose across socials, email and blog, no pressure, just permissionless proof. What this looks like in action? 1. You pick a real user pain. Example, how to onboard users without losing them on day 2. That's your first video. You don't need a fancy studio. You need empathy, clarity, and a screen. 2. You teach the manual path. Walk through the hard way, tools, steps, workflows. People love transparency. It earns respect. 3. Then you reveal the shortcut. Your SaaS equals the fast lane. Let the product slide in naturally as the obvious next step. We don't say buy now, we say, or just do this in 2 clicks with your SaaS. That's how selling becomes helping. 4. You record in 1 hour per week. We give you 2 options. Voice plus screen, human, authentic, low lift, AI avatar, stylized, scalable, branded. Either way, 1 hour, 1 video. That's your content for the week. 5. We turn that into 10+ assets. From 1 tutorial, we create YouTube video, shorts, LinkedIn carousel, Twitter thread, blog post, email tip, TikTok cut, Instagram reel, Reddit summary, Quora answer. That's not content, that's distribution with depth. The results in 30 days. Give us 4 weeks and you walk away with 8 to 10 high-value educational videos, 50+ repurposed social assets, a scalable content pipeline, daily organic trial signups, a brand that people trust before they even meet you. We're not creating noise, we're creating signal, and it compounds. Objections we hear and overcome. I'm not a content creator. Perfect, you're a teacher. That's all you need. I hate being on camera. Use your voice. Or let AI be your face. I don't have time. Batch 4 videos in 1 day. You're done for the month. I don't know what to say. We start with your top onboarding questions. Your audience already gave you the script. Metrics that matter. Forget likes. Here's what we track. Discovery, found you on YouTube. Trust, comments, replies, messages like, this helped me. Conversion, trial signups from inbound traffic. Teaching builds credibility. Credibility drives action. The final truth, teach first, sell later. In 2025, your most scalable growth channel isn't ads or cold DMs. It's teaching your way into trust and letting AI scale that message across the internet. We didn't become influencers, we became educators, and that made all the difference. Recap, the AuthorityVideos growth engine. Clone your presence, voice, or avatar, teach weekly on YouTube, repurpose to every platform, let your product be the shortcut, build trust, drive trials, grow on autopilot. That's the game. And if you're ready to play, we'll build it for you. Let's build your content engine. Free strategy call. We've done this for ourselves. We've done this for B2B SaaS founders, consultants, agencies, and creators. If you want a scalable discovery engine, trust that compounds, content that converts without burnout, book a free 30-minute strategy session. We'll walk you through your first 5 video topics, your best teaching format, avatar or not, your weekly repurposing flow, your full trust engine game plan, no fluff, no pitch, just clarity. Book your free strategy call below. I'm Anukul from AuthorityVideos. Let's turn your expertise into exponential growth.